Bon appetit, Your Majesty. Sakto lang eh. Baka sabihin sa vlog nito. Ito yung nagbalot ng enoki na may gano'n na tanga. Nakakangat. Sakto lang. Galing. Bon appetit, Your Majesty.
Ano pong menu?
Special menu for my mommy. Here. Fish cake. And this.
Tapos kanina pinapapalay mo naman. Siguro sa Mexican lang yan. Sabi na sacrifice. Ba't biglang di ko naririnig yung baby ko?
Kasi excited siya doon. Kaso hindi masigyan.
Asan siya?
Now it's time for 9.
Magpa-fire pa yan. Usog ka doon una, ha? Hindi, katabi lang namin sila atin eh. Huwag mong tutukan dati masakit daw sa mata. How are you guys?
Mommy, Nana.
So nice. Oh, kukuhanan ka pa niyan ng ano. Una Bear, tawag ka ni Lola. Oh, pwede yun no, sa yellow.
Mommy, what are you holding?
Una ito, ha?
Pero nga ako backslide.
Mommy, Nana.
Oo, ma.
Listen, listen, tayo.
Tapos, ikaw din ako nagkaka-fire na.
Hindi, yun yung binili ni Chet, tapos pinutol namin na maliliit.
Mahaba ba yan pag pinili?
Hindi, ganito lang. Tapos malapag.
Hindi. Eh, naglalaro ko sa iPad niya. Ito ano? Cheese.
May kimchi ka ba binili?
Ayun.
Ha? Dami naman ng ref ko ngayon. See? Alam ko may kimchi, hindi ata kinuha. Akala ko meron ka. Akala ko binibiro niya lang yan, kaya binitbit niya. Yun. Wala palang nabiling kimchi. So,
Ang alam ko kinuha ni Jerry yung malaki kaya hindi ako kumuha nakatabi.
alam namin, may maliit pa
Oo, kasi
Wala.
sabi mo tinanong mo si Nick, kanina, di ba?
Di ba pinapapili ko kayo kung malit o malaki?
Ah.
Tapos nakita ko kinuha ni Jerry yung malaki. Hindi na ako kumuha.
Bibili ba ng malaki yan?
Eh, favorite niya yun eh.
Favorite ko rin yung kimchi malaki, pero kimchi pero gano'ng kalaki. Hindi ata.
Full moon.
Oh, init. Gulat siya, umabot sa kamay niya. Oh.
Lakas pa kasi kaya hindi pa ako naglalabas na dito lang, ganyan lang sa gilid.
Kimchi, ano pala ngayon? Ano ba yun? Korean ang peg.
Kunin mo muna yung ano mo.
Korean.
Kunin mo yung upuan mo. Tuturuan kita. Get mo yung upuan mo. Dali mo dito.
May sabaw rin, sarap.
My God.
Ito rito, para ka naman dito yung pagpilig sila mo yun. Kala mo na sa tagay.
Dito na. Pakaupo. Mami, nagtiwan sa marshmallow.
It's burning me.
It's burning you. Para maluto ka din. Ganito lang. Huwag masyadong dikit. Walang titingin dito ah.
It's burning me.
Lumingon siya agad. Dito mo hawakan sa dulo.
Pwede mapang, hindi pwede naman tayo.
Tapos ikot-ikot mo like this. Diba?
Mamamatay.
Kuya Song, ang laki ng fire nila, oh.
Dapat kasi sa taas ang sisindihan eh.
Ito
Kaya ang
hot.
kaso.
Ito
Ay,
hot.
gawa na ng ano.
Ito hot. This one's hot.
Ang nagpasablay lang dito si El na malayo. Hindi naman mahamog eh. Malamig lang. Ganda talaga ng view rito. Dito ang magandang view. Dito kala mo walang view.
Daddy! Daddy! Kuha tayong tong.
Isipin mo na lang.
Kulo-kulo.
Bobby, drink more water, ha? Bobby, drink more water. Parang mo lumabas. Bobby. Bobby.
Tunod ha, mami.
Bobby.
Or di tayo sunod na.
Ang tunod, very tunod.
You want very sunod? Kainin may uling.
No. What's
Ay,
the stick?
yummy. Go here. Can I stick dito if you want?
Go, kuya.
Nanet. Mommy, give me more.
You want some more? Naubos mo na?
Yeah.
Give me that one. Ay, should I cook it for you?
Yeah.
Si madam talaga. Oh.
Kakabi ah. Hawak mo yung water mo para kasi naman mas paano kapag mag-water ka. Kahit 3 lang siguro ulit, Bobby. lakas naman nun.
Ano, kita naman yung spam ko. Spam ba yan? Kumukulo-kulo naman siya. Na-excite lang din ako. May bagong bili si JR na ganito. Tapos tingnan mo kumukulo-kulo siya. Ganito yung mga gusto ko yung organic. Yan yung lutuan. Sabi ko nga bagay ito sa mga steak eh. Nasa spam muna ngayon. Wala si Kuya Song.
What are you doing?
I'm cooking. Look oh.
What are you doing?
Thank you. You let me borrow your chair so I can put the flashlight here like this.
What are you doing? Bukas ni. Bukas ni. I'm going to play bright and lighty. See like that.
I told you, I need to sleep. Daddy naman.
No. And my brother.
Yes, and your brother. What's your problem ba?
No. They are done, mommy.
You want your mommy there?
Mm-mm. Mommy, let me bounce you. You my clothes.
I my clothes?
Let me bounce you because you my clothes.
Dan. Ito na nga isa. Dan.
Where do you put it, Mommy? Where do you put it, Mommy?
What?
Where do you put you like that? Where do you put your ilaw? This. Come on, where is it? Tell me, where is it?
What? I don't remember na.
You're like this. Where is that? Where is that, Mommy? Where is that?
Pwede
Maybe
naman.
you can.
Lutong din.
Remember? We have to write.
Ba't ang dami?
We have to write only two.
Only two?
Yes. We have to many write naman, Mommy.
Yeah, we have so many rice naman.
A lot.
Obi, upo ka dito. Dito ka kung ayaw mong kumain. Dito ka lang.
Butitian mo po siya ang butiti. Mananet.
Obi.
Ayun tatang
Ako kaya gusto mo
butiti.
dito yung chair
Ano
mo?
po siya ang butiti.
Dito ka kuya, come on.
Talo.
Wow, sarap naman talaga.
That's
Sa'yo sa bawang ano natin, mangkok natin.
Nandyan.
Wow.
Thank you. Thank you, Chef.
Yeah,
Look.
Well, my
Kabi, dito ka, Kuya
favorite
Kabeng.
is sabaw.
Sit down ka rito, Kuya. Huwag ka dyan. Ay, kantakon. Dito ka.
Mommy, my I want sabaw. I want sabaw.
Ayun, sabaw, oh. Gusto mo i-try hikap sabaw, Kabeng? Para labas yung sipon mo.
Lumubo na yung ano eh. Maganda sana yung pasta eh kanina. Lumubo. Nauna ata.
Ano you want to browse?
Yeah.
Feeling ko hindi niya na yung kakainin yung pagkain.
Ito parang sus.
Halos yung pala.
Hoisin tas
It's Wowie.
So, Awi, it's bagong luto, blow mo. Can I see paano ka mag-blow?
Top, ano to?
Ito oh. Ako nag-menu ko yan. Thank you.
Pwede na talaga si Boss mag-assistant, ano?
Ito
ano pa lang ina-apply mo
to.
nun, te? Sauce ng?
Sauce.
Binuhat mo.
Hindi.
Naglakad siya
Hanggang doon lang
nakapaa.
kasi silip ko lang siya. Baka mamaya kung saan tumakbo eh. Umikot pa yun 2 beses. Hinahanap niya ako sa syudadan, tapos nakita niya lang rin yung daan. Dahil ko pa kasi na dumi yung ba. There's some chicken na. On the mami nilik. Ten. Chicken.
Need to put like green, put in the green. It's green now. Blue.
What's that?
Rainbow.
Where? Where?
Here.
Wow!
Green, blue, indigo. Violet, correct.
Can you draw the city, Kuya?
The earth.
What's that?
It's earth. This is the grass. This looks like the color of the
Yeah,
grass.
look, oh, what's that?
Where?
There.
Chicken.
Banana. Chicken, banana. Banana. Kahit dun sa likod walang higit.
Well, ay yung color white meron pa naman. Pero mama yung kamatis na yun. Gusto ko yung natikman kapag ganito.
Bobby, what are you doing, ha? I see you, you're laughing.
Are you still drawing or playing geometry dance?
B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, vitamin C.
No.
Where are you?
What are you playing?
Yeah.
Blow, malakas.
Where's ito, your mommy?
Parang napas may sipon-sipon mo. Ha?
Hanap na kuya niya.
Yeah. Where is it? Do you want that? Eat it.
Why?
Eat it.
Eh.
Eat it.
Nom 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 nom. You silly girl.
We all that.
That's for the cow, not for me.
Eat it.
Nom 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 nom.
Eat.
Nom 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 nom.
Eat it like that.
It's
Open the
yummy.
mouth.
Hala! Ba't mo pinakain sa akin? You silly girl.
Seaweed. Da.
You bebe me?
Seaweed.
Kiwi. Is kiwi color brown?
The outside is color brown, but inside is color green.
But why is there a balls on the kiwi?
this little lemon.
No, it's that, ano, what's that? Chico.
It eat.
No.
Eat.
No.
It. Put it on the mouth.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah. Mommy, Nana, do you want to? Do you want to?
No, thank you. Wow, thank you po.
Do you want to?
Ay, thank you po. Oh, and then make it white. It's like eggy.
Hey, it's not a eggy.
And what's that?
It's Hasa. So I'm not still feeling.
Oh, is that a pan?
Guys, my boat is yummy.
Halata ba yung suso?
Guys, my boat is yummy.
Hindi kasi nagbibideo sa atin, nagpakalugas yung utong.
Sige, siya nasa bata naman yung focus. Hindi pa nga sumubo isa, makakadalawa na to si Una.
7, 8 pa lang? 8 pa lang? Ilan input pa rin?
Dad, Mommy, how should I do my pancake? Like this? Yummy to ya?
Ha? Full charge na agad?
Konti lang pa lang naman gamit yun eh. Gagamit ko sa ikaw.
Enough na to ya.
Is it yummy?
Yeah. Oh, it fell. Why is it falling? Mommy.
Yes?
Look at that thing.
What's that thing?
Green.
It's got so many thorns. Can you see the thorns?
This is the bird. Look. Then the thorns. The other one have thorns. Do you see the thorns? The downstairs. That are Peter.
You.
Go, bee, go. The pumpkin. Yes.
Jump pa, para hindi ikaw matawag.
Daddy Tatan. Mi tito yan.
Yummy? Yummy? Did you say thank you to your mommy ba?
Mommy, thank you.
Why you saying thank you to me?
This is yummy.
What's yummy?
Yummy, your pan. Yummy, what did you do? Yeah. Yeah. I love you. Yaki.
What's yaki ba?
The pancake.
Nasunog pancake? No, it's yummy.
Yeah, it's yaki. It's yaki, banana. So yeah, it's yaki. On the island.
Okay. Where? I will picture you there. I love you. Ah, picture. 1. Say cheese. Yes.
You need to down the big stone because it's about it, diba? What? I'm falling. It's falling the
Saan tayo pupunta? Saan yung small? Is that a smaller one?
Why?
I see something smaller banda doon, no? Can you find it for me?
Small.
That's too small, you silly. Paano ka upo dyan? Di kasya yung put natin dyan. Nakita mo na ba yung slide dito una? Ay, yung swing?
Too heavy. No.
Gusto mo mag-swing?
What is it?
Yung swing.
Where the wind? Where the wind, Manana? This my.
Yes, that's maliit.
The big one. But mitten to my towel. Are we that in lost? Manana. I think we're lost now.
We're lost?
Yeah.
No.
But we think you're not adult. Tita. No push ito high okay, mananat. Let's go. Let me push. Let's go on our mom and daddy.
I cannot buhat. I'm so tired also. Dito na lang tayo.
Why?
Wag na tayo balik doon kasi tired ka na.
Our mommy and daddy will where?
May iwan na tayo dito pag umuwi na sila.
Yeah, near the park.
But I don't have energy na.
It's okay if you have fun another. They do but yeah do like what like that like what you do like that.
How?
Like that.
Okay. You count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2. Ay, 1, 2, 3, 5, 2, 1, 2. This is where our mommy and daddy. 1, 2. Where are you? 1, 2, 3, 5, Daddy. Daddy, that's my bag. Daddy, that's my bag.
Wow! Saan ka galing?
On the green.
Your turn.
Grown, I didn't know how to believe. How could I got to wow, but
I thought we're dating. You're here pala. Daddy, pupo daw siya.
Una! Your daddy bully me!
No!
Daddy, please.
Your daddy bully me! I'm gonna cry na!
Let's go. Sabi ni Una kayo. Pagkalabas ng pupo niya, baho pupo ni Una. Daddy, kasoy pala to. Daddy, magsuswing doon sa baba ka muna.
Tara, una, dito ka kita.
No, you put in banana. So banana gonna win. Banana gonna win.
But,
Banana.
no, your daddy pushed me kanina. I'm so scared na.
Galing na kayo dito? Really? Oh no, we forgot si Kuya.
The daddy tatandaan tayo tuya.
Daddy tatanbantay si Kuya. Woohoo!
You can go down.
You can go down by yourself.
Una, let's go
Wala
there.
pa naman yung ano eh, kaya hindi kami makaigib.
Well, daddy.
Eh baka may
Dito. Una, sigaw ka rito. So, let's go, Sago!
Sabi mo, hi baka!
Sabi mo, hi, baka! Sigaw ka, dali. Hi, baka! Mag-emote ka dyan, dali.
No. Ah! No! Kaya gabi!
Narinig mo yung echo. Lakas boses mo, no?
Kaya gabi! But I thought it's over there on the mountain.
Yeah. So they will go here.
Ina daw new yet. Kaya gabi! Do you hear my brothers on the mountain? I like the green banana than mommy.
Come on, let's go.
Mommy, I live in thunder.
Yes,
Yes.
it's stronger.
Ay, may tumatawag ulit
Maybe
sa'yo.
it's Lolo.
Bakit siguro? Nagpapagigil.
Hindi, pag sipakit isang ring lang. Woohoo!
It's on your Saturn, Mama.
Okay.
Let's go.
Oh, sweet naman ni Una. Ginib niya yung water ni Kuya.
Sweet si Kobe.
Sweet si Kobe.
Kuya! Banana, butterfly is my favorite. What are you gonna give Valiente? Butterfly is my favorite.
Okay, I'm not something.
you don't like the bowl fight.
Hello, butterfly. Hello, butterfly.
And the gore.
Hello, butterfly.
You love butterfly?
My point is, it's about more than just smashing heads. It's about rhythm.
Mommy, there's a butterfly.
Don't just think of it as
Look
a
how
fight.
it.
Think of it like
When the metal it
We'll ever do
with
something
the
like this.
owning. I want to know.
Check out my boy, Captain Rug.
That's it. It's a
You call that
it's a
dancing?
down.
Nine. This. is dancing.
Ito nga pala yung dome kanina na nilipad. Bakit siya nilipad, sis?
Hanggang friend. Adjust pa more. Nakapag yung kahapon eh. In-adjust ko, di ba? Kahit di siya nakatali ngayon. Pero dapat nakatali din yun dito eh.
Ano din nakatala?
May mga tali pa yun dito. Yung mga ganito. Meron pa yun dito. Para mas matibay. Di mo pwedeng hayaan. Lalo na nung una-una yung gulo nila. Buti nga medyo.
Got ya.
Why did you got me?
What are you doing?
I'm gonna hit.
You're gonna help mommy? Wow, you're so sweet naman.
Okay. What? You have a lot of food here.
Ito naman si Kobite, sa sobrang observant niya. May mapalitan lang sa bahay namin. Pansin niya agad. Tapos masyashock siya. Yung ganyan.
Of water. Oh, we got more to go. We're almost done. I don't know.
Kobe, what are you cooking?
I don't know.
Is that adobo? Check it out. Ano yan? Tinatanong siya nung niluluto niya. Check it out ka ko.
It's what?
It's Tinong's favorite too.
Look at all of that one.
Iniisip ko nga kung uunahin ko ba yung sinigang ko yung
You mommy.
kasi masarap din ito yung gulay. Yung may...
Bawin si Daddy Tata, no? Nagdalawin siya ng
Ano ba iluluto mong gulay?
Yung ano, pinakulo lang. Tapos hindi kami nakabili ng hipon, walang usay.
Ano nilagay mo yung gabi?
Ay hindi, yung...
Sampalok.
Oo nga na, meron pa ng with gabi na dala sa atin eh.
Kasi hindi ko alam kung anong...
Which says when I'm 5 years old? Which says with my cousin when I'm 4 years old?
When you're 5 years old?
When I'm 4 years old.
4 years old?
I want the password to be careful. Oh.
I'm feeling like I'm famous, the talk of the town. They say I've
It's
gone
the
mad.
same.
Yeah, I've
It's
gone
more like
mad.
yours.
Nice.
But they don't
Hey,
know
now
what I
it's time to
know.
go to the
'Cause
next
when the sun goes down, someone's
the flowers
talking
are
back.
already grown.
Yeah, they're talking back.
I want to do the next
At night when the stars light
flower.
up my room,
Okay, wait
sit by myself.
So good tent na po kami kasi nagaya ng kumain yung kapitbahay namin. Keep it up guys. Luto lang kayo ng luto. Ha?
Natutong nga yung kanin, no?
Bagya lang. Keep it up. Makikikabilang tent muna kami ni Daddy. Kasi nagaya na silang kumain. Yung luto nila pang isang barangay. Patay na anak nila ganun lang. Pagpa isa. How was it, Kuya?
Tapon. Sabi
Yummy?
niya, the hat is going into my neck. Not hat anymore. Dati ba't nag-i-stage yung plato ko?
Ay, 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 ay.
Paletter is yung
Galing na ni Kobe ah. Parang nagsuswimming na. Yung ano pala, Che, yung sipon ni Una.
Ang init sa ulo.
Di ata siya makain.
Who will bantay us?
Me?
About mommy. Oh, what mommy doing? Let's see. No! Did you know whose name is this? I don't know. Mushroom? This name is Pungi.
Pungi?
Kaya tatan Ungi. Pungi. Did you know who's Pungi? Una? No. It's Una. Una is Pungi. Daddy tatanot. Daddy tatanot.
Sorry, Tommy. Oh, it's a monster. I'm so
I'm
scared.
going to you.
Oh no, I'm scared. Oh no. Ah! Daddy, kinain ako ng monster. Ay, ng zombie.
It's Una.
Ay, si Una pala yun. Ikaw talaga,
It's
you silly girl.
orange too.
Ah, orange ba yan?
I'm not doing the probably to you. Yeah, Daddy tatanot you.
Ha? Daddy, asan na yung cellphone mo?
And this.
Hi. Is that a timbangan?
Yeah.
Ooh,
Yeah.
okay, who do you laban lang?
I know the
You did not choose me, you silly boy.
Una. In the Toby. So yeah, the you have auto a boot like me, the Una, close your eyes. Mommy Nana, Una, close your eyes. That's Mama Nana, Toby. Luna, please.
Okay. Chips. Who do you want chips? Kobe, Daddy Tatan, or Una Bear?
I like
Ha? O gusto din daw ni Kobe, yung hingi kay Daddy.
Who do you laban lang?
I love my chips.
Who do you laban lang?
Hey!
Give na your kuya.
Apple. Is it so you, Manana? Like blue?
Yes, that's my iPad. Kuya, sabi mo gusto mo kinuha ng kani Una. You say thank you kay Una.
Una, I like that kind of chip.
Ay, ayaw daw to ni Kobe. Give it back to your daddy. Sabi mo, you like kasi.
Who do you laban lang? First pagtanong, ay bilis eh. Let's kain tayo.
BS ball. No.
Look mo yan ako ni Una.
Hey.
I think that is her favorite.
Tuya. What happened? Daddy, do you want this?
Okay.
Luda. Luda!
Oh, how do you love Daddy Tatan, Mami Nanay? Kuhan lang, hug, please.
No one will die.
Yes, no one will cry. I need hug. Oh, do you love? Can you hug it? What?
You will not die.
Yes.
But the daddy doesn't will die.
I will not cry. Okay, you hug now. One.
I want to
Two.
see another baby.
Okay,
I will
one,
not find another baby. I will
Two.
not look for another baby.
Three.
Yun lang.
4, 5,
But
6.
you will not love me.
I will love you forever and ever and
Six.
ever.
7, 8,
It's okay.
9, 10.
It's okay.
I love you, my una bear. You're my baby girl.
And I told you one more. Did the learning and who and give me the honor. Who do you want more one? One land.
Who are the choices?
Daddy Tata no una.
Una. Una,
It's okay,
syempre.
I'm not gonna cry.
One mom nanet. Did the honor.
Ano na?
Wow! 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 Toby. Run! Wait, Lon, me up at the pressure, you touch your eye. Kaya would be better. Mommy. Mom, Nana, help me, my button.
What are you guys doing?
Ba't palang download ako movie doon, no? Explain. Vlog mo isa.
I want to play this.
Show your kuya.
Trust me.
Na-adjust naman yung temperature nito.
Banana tie dye on the topping.
Hi.
Hey, what's that? Banana, spit on me.
Dance, ano,
Banana.
wak ha. Kilos, okay?
You want? I want to help you, Kuya. Wait. Please spell my daddy tata.
May script pa si Una. Please tell, oh my daddy.
Okay. You dance.
Please, oh.
Don. You dance. Duck. Duck.
Quack, quack.
Quack. Quack. Okay, again. Okay.
Mommy.
Again. Let's go.
Yes.
6, 7. Okay. Go. Me first.
Okay.
Six, seven dance. 6, 7 dance. Show me muna your 6, 7 dance. Dali. 6, 7. Okay, what's next? Anong 7?
Now I know that it's 7.
We're gonna dance.
Hey,
Wait, I'm cooking pa.
you need to
Yeah. Let's, after this.
meow, 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 meow.
Oh, go.
You need to
Ano
complete
yan?
it run.
Baka may hindi na maintindihan dyan.
You need to complete it run.
Okay. I'm the circle now. I'm X.
Okay. Daddy, oh. Oh, Daddy Tata. Daddy Tata. Oh.
Oh, O si kuya. I'm the X.
Oh. But you will lose to Daddy Tata. Huh? Did you play this?
I don't know. It's wrong nga. Ulitin mo ulit. Dali. Mali eh. Mali yung line mo kasi there's another line.
Okay.
X me.
No, oh, you dance, man, and it's like that.
Hmm?
Huh?
The and then banana.
Una, you kwak-kwak there to, dali. You kwak-kwak there to. Dali. Dali. Show me, marunong ka niyan?
I will follow you. 1, 2.
We little dance but what because we feel it up.
1, 2, 3, go.
Quack, quack, quack.
Quack. The real quack quack is like this.
Quack,
Like this.
quack,
Like this.
quack, quack, quack.
Don't go there na, Kobe. It's dark there. Tingnan mo, walang nanalo.
Yan nga, in-explain niya.
Make a deal with mommy next. Quack, quack, quack. Pag
Quack,
natalo, quack, quack, quack siya.
quack.
Go! Show your dance, quack, quack, quack.
So you dance quack, quack,
Show
quack.
your dance first because you lose. Go. Dali, 1. Eh, si kuya pag nag-lose siya, nagda-dance siya ng quack, 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 di ba? Oh.
You too.
Turo mo sa kanya paano.
Una dance quack, quack, quack.
Like this, oh. Look at kuya.
Quack,
Kuya will
quack,
teach you,
quack,
look.
Quack, 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 quack. Quack, quack.
Wala naman.
Ayaw niya.
Una
Quack.
quack,
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 quack, quack, quack, quack.
Turo mo kay una. Like
Quack,
this, oh.
quack, quack.
Oh, una.
Quack, quack, quack. Banana, no video me.
Okay.
Quack,
Quack,
quack, quack.
Go. 1, 2, 3, go.
Quack,
Quack, quack, quack.
Banana, no video me.
Wala ng video. Off now. Go. 1, 2, 3, go. Quack, quack, quack.
Quack, quack, quack.
Quack, quack. Like daddy, tatag.
Quack,
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 quack, quack, quack. Go. 1, 2,
Is it
3.
us?
Yes.
Quack.
Close. 1, 2, 3, go.
Go. Quack, quack, quack. Quacky, quack, quack. Quack, quack.
Quack. Go na. Look at kuya.
Quacky, quack, quack.
Pag natalo mo si kuya, kuya will dance quack, quack, quack also.
Che.
Quack.
Quack, quack, quack.
Nags... Ano y-
Mommy, the bunny, like the bunny. Hop, hop, hop. Hop, like the bunny. Hop, hop, hop.
Diba?
Hop, like the
O, game na.
bunny.
Play with banana.
Hop, hop. First,
Am I X or circle?
X. Mommy, fish win.
You want me to win?
That's still okay.
Ano, wait.
Hop, like the bunny. Hop, hop, hop. Hop, like the penguin. Hop, hop, hop.
Which one you like, here or here?
Here.
Which one here? So you want me to go here? Okay. Oh. Which one you like? I have combo.
Okay.
Okay. Quack, quack.
Quack, quack, quack. Quack, quack, like a bunny. Quack, quack, quack.
Okay.
Quack, quack, quack.
Try to game with ano naman.
Quack, quack.
Mami next.
Quack, quack, quack.
Go with mommy next.
Next, mami next.
Hop, 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 like a bunny. Hop, hop, hop. Did you draw 6 plus 7? Okay. With your eyes closed. Open your eyes now. Ikaw, do you want to keep walking?
No.
You need to eat food. Yes.
Why?
You the baby will keep floating you.
Why?
Mommy Nenek, if you not eat, the food fairy will wake you up and like, you need to find the food while you're sleeping like that.
I will eat before I sleep na lang.
Eat na. You're gonna sleepwalking. You're gonna sleepwalking, mommy.
I'm gonna eat later too. I'm gonna wait for daddy lang. No. Maybe daddy is sleeping na and he not yet take some. You need to eat this. Baka mahulog kayo. Pag nag-sleepwalking kayo, mahulog kayo. Because the slope is too steep. Sit ka dito. Sa chair mo, kuya mo na. Pag naubos mo ito, you can go na.
Geometry. Geometry lang to.
Daddy, tatan use the gel.
Use the gel. What do you have them there? Una, dito ka lang.
The gel will just make you feel not so if you laugh, you'll just go out from the gel. Yes. I'll show you when we're playing drumming. When I'm playing drumming.
Go back.
Mananatit na. Titinan nyo na, Toby. Mommy, when Nana touches ice and give me my me his hand, me dip my Nana orange juice.
Really?
Yeah.
Juice?
Binigyan mo ako ng orange juice. When was that?
Orange juice.
Baka kiyat.
Kung sinong pipiliin.
Careful anak, baka matumba ka dyan.
Mommy, when you got my upuan,
I don't like you to hulog.
how about you, Manana?
I love you.
Why do you don't want me to hold?
Because I love you.
Ha. Why there's so many? This one. Why there's so many who do that? There's two
Kaya
of
ganyan lang
them.
kainan nyo.
Papalit ka ng damit. Dan daw si Daddy magpapalit daw damit. Anong first stop?
Itong sa Cobia Bridge.
Bali, ilan to? Naghanap ng dali si Daddy. May Shanghai pa kamo. Magpipicture ba si Jar dyan sa gitna?
Kaya may search lang ako. Bibiti pa kayo dito sa Cobia.
Rolling. pangalan ng bridge?
Bridge.
Again.
Sacovia Bridge. Dito na po tayo sa Sacova Bridge. Lang take 2. Bulol. Dito na po tayo sa Sacovia Bridge. Isang kilalang bridge sa pagitan ng Clark at Tarlac.
Bakit siya kilala?
Hindi ko rin alam. Kilala lang siya. Kilala siya bilang Orange MMDA. But ano ba to? Kasi ata din sa sa Sacovia River. Dahil ito ang dinaanan ng lahar nung pinatubo.
Ganito yung mga puno sa Roblox eh.
Plus lahat ng nagmomotor na papunta ng Tarlac, humihinto dito para magpicture, para siyang arko. Okay, tapos na tayo dyan.
Cloudy.
Nakibigyo din kami.
So, saan tayo?
Hindi ko pa rin sure.
Parang kalayo ng iikutan, madaanan lang yung tulay na yun. Uy, sino yun?
Hi!
Ano sabi ni Jeff?
16,000 customs ata to wait lang. Sinesearch ko pa.
Go, go, go.
So yung sunog nasusunog pa rin.
Yan ba yon? Hindi yan yun.
Susunog kagabi. Parang bago lang to.
Nagsiga lang yan eh.
Mukha bang sigayan?
Nagaganyan sila sa mundo.
Para pag tinaniman ulit.
Maklos mamahal.
Ay.
Namasyal sa tulay.
Sa sobrang niya, tourist attraction siya. 2 beses natin siya dinaanan.
Malapit na pala yung dulo ng NLEX dyan.
Oo. Dito tayo sa kaliwa galing kahapon eh. Sa diretso pala.
Ah!
That's you.
Sino yun?
Did you see our picture? Did you see our picture?
Hmm?
Did you see our picture? Ananas. An ubo.
Ay, ba't ka inubo? Siguro hindi ka nagwa-water.
Yeah.
Asa yung tubigan
I
mo?
water kanina on my car.
Uminom ka water?
Give me water! Give me water! Mami, nana, dude!
Ay, very good. Drink ka plenty of water.
Hold it, Mami, nana.
Amin na.
Hold it, Dada.
Do you want some strawberry croissant or mango? Or chocolate?
No, no.
Or blueberry?
Mami, nana, did you ever see a giant TV? No.
That's the first time I saw a giant TV. Wow. It's so huge.
May pinuntahan kami ganito
Can we play the Roblox there?
sa Bulacan, pero mas maliit ng version ng ganito naman.
Sa Bulacan?
Sa Malolos.
Kobe? Ay, una, you like that? May strawberry, oh.
Why? That's chocolate with strawberry, no, because I have ubu pa.
Ah, may ubo ka pala.
Blueberry, no. Kuya! Kuya, look at blueberry. There's blueberry or blueberry.
Oreo cake yan sa...
What's the cake?
Ano gusto mo?
Kasi, eto na lang sa akin daddy kasi may pangalan nila.
Ma'am, extra nga po nga, peanut
Peanut
butter.
butter cheesecake.
Oo, careful. Saan? Ay, wow. Ano yan? Wow. Pwede ko yan ipasalubong kay Caleb?
No, there's color. Eat it. No, Mama, let's not touch it. Didn't want it, no. No touch it.
Ganda mo dyan, ito. Ang statwa.
Birthday. Dito yung 200, dito siya yung 200 mo cake na. Kasi sa,
Payment only lang kami.
kasi sa,
Kaya wala ko
Let's get
yung sa gilid, yung dalawa.
Yeah, I like that. Let's get another. You're not the pillow. I'm the pillow.
Drink water.
Okay. Where's the water?
Amang na dito. Kainom sila sa kusina.
Wala.
Para hindi rin ako sisipon. Mami na ko, very good siya, oh. Saan ba tayo magbe-beach? Sa may turtle?
The turtle in the beach.
Ay, and then inhale, exhale. Inhale, inhale.
Which is the slowest
That one.
animal that was the race?
Inhale on your nose.
The
Inhale.
bunny
No,
and
dito.
the turtle.
Singhot, singhot. On nose. Yun, very good
There's so
talaga.
many to one.
Yes.
One.
Open your mouth.
What's
Open
the
your mouth.
slowest animal that was?
Ba't ngayon, ang imamassage ko muna si Magic Pillow kasi kailangan...
ubos na ba yung gamot o naka-off na yan?
Shoot mo ulit. Shoot. Ubus na.
Ubos na, dan na.
There's a leopard.
Where's my baby? Finding una.
to play chicken.
Okay.
Ito, Tay. Careful. You drink, you sit down here, you drink that. Your water. Oh. Sit here, madam. Kukuha ko may sikot mo.
Saan punta si Daddy Tatan?
There's water. Here though.
It's okay.
Hold it on. Banana didn't eat too many. Din.
But you have sipunda ba? Pinainom din niya sa akin.
Banana almost eat.
Ubos it?
It's okay if you